All right, what's up guys? We're back. Sorry it took so long for me to post another video, but I got busy and I had to wait for all my parts to come in. So here's the first part that I got. Got that carbon fiber trunk. It's the Seibon one, the C style for the Genesis Coupe. You can see the aggressive duckbill. I'm gonna install it real quick and throw it on the car and see how it looks. So hopefully it looks good. All right, so you gotta start by taking off the bump stops. Come on in close, man, don't be shy.
No, I'm a little camera shy.
Stop being a bitch.
Yeah, you're right, I'm sorry.
So first you gotta take these guys off, because you're gonna put these on your trunk. And then you gotta take off the trunk mat. Hopefully I can take it off. It's not gonna be a bitch. It's gonna be a bitch. You just gotta start by taking these clips off. Damn. These are a lot harder than I thought. So yeah, but I'm just gonna rip it off. So basically that's all you gotta do. Just take off these clips, take off these two bolts, same thing, take off the wire for the trunk release. Same side. The other side has the same thing. So yeah. Alright, so now I kinda just said fuck it. This shit was being a bitch. So I kinda just used some brute force. You gotta make sure to take this off. This is for your trunk release. Just unclip it, take this off. This is held in right here, two 10 mils, and then you got to open this up right here. There's a slot for a flathead. Just pop it open. There's two 8 mils in here. Like I said, make sure to take out your two little bump stops, and then all you got is these four 10 mils again, two here and two on the opposite side. Other than that, the trunk will come off, and then you put your new one on, and that's about it. All right, so next you want to install the trunk latch. And then the little bump stops. Now I got the OEM truck off. So basically, it just goes here. Just go ahead and thread it in by hand. You want to do the next one. These are 10 mils. And then you want to be careful when you're tightening them. You don't want to over tighten them. You just want to snug them up. And with your ratchet. Snug them. Don't use your fucking gorilla strength. There's no need for it. And then next you want to put on the bump stops. Those go here. Yeah, I mean you get the point. You just basically gotta put these on. So I'll put these on real quick and then I'll update the video again. All right guys, so basically this is the end result. This is what I got. I am honestly in love. It looks amazing. The ducktail or the lip spoiler thing, however you want to say it. Oh my god, dude. It looks super aggressive with the louvers and everything now too.
It's amazing.
I got more things coming, trust me, don't worry. You know, I'm sorry that it took so long for me to post another video, but I got more videos coming. I got other parts now at home. I just had to wait for everything to show up. But I mean, this is just the first one. I got about 5 more things basically to install. But yeah, also though, thank you to everybody that watched my first video and subscribed and left a comment. I really appreciate it. Like I said, this is just the first one. I got many more pieces coming right now. I have more at home and I have a couple more coming in. So as soon as those come out, I'm gonna try to pump out a couple more videos for you guys as soon as possible. So thank you, I really appreciate it. You know, yeah, I mean, I don't know what to say. I mean, like I said, I'm just in love with how the carbon looks. All right, thanks for watching guys. I'll catch you guys later. See you in the next one. Stay tuned. Say later, dog.
Later, man.